This screencast is to show the mechanism for acid catalyzed hydration of an unsymmetrical alkene. The first step in the reaction is the pi bond of the alkene attacking the hydronium ion to become protonated. When it does that, it preferentially forms the secondary carbocation, which is more stabilized than the other possible carbocation due to hyperconjugation of the intermediate. The next step is nucleophilic attack with water. Since that's the good nucleophile present, the water attacks the positively charged carbon in the intermediate. Unlike with addition of HCl or HBr, we're not done after the nucleophilic attack because this intermediate is not neutral. It's got a positive charge on the oxygen since the nucleophile was water. So the final step in this reaction is deprotonation of that positively charged intermediate. The base that does the deprotonation is likely to be water since it's about 55 molar in this solution. So the final product here is 2-pentanol. So we have a net Markovnikov addition of the alkene of water to our unsymmetrical alkene.